Hi guys, so today it is very, it's raining a lot. Like, pretty much guys, right now, California needs this. Because they're having all those wildfires, right Maddie?
They have them all the time, but... Well, I'm just checking something. Yeah, I'm about to do it on my photo.
I'm going to go out into the green space.
Okay, I'll be there.
Don't take too long. Maddie's not coming yet, so I guess we must explore on our own right now. A nice rainy day, a nice rainy day. So guys, if you haven't seen my new video from yesterday, please go check that out. It's called Long Ago History, because we talked about all of the history that happened, like World War II, part of the, well, like pretty much about the world wars and stuff like that. So, oh, I can't believe that dried up. That was really high yesterday, like higher than it was before. I'm gonna hide from Maddie right now. Uh-oh. You'll be my cover, so I don't have to peek. I'll watch. Okay, guys, I don't think he's coming. There he is. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. So good. Can see him when he just... Yep, do you see him, guys? There he is. That beast. I see him. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Ba-na! Boom, boom, boom. Boom. spying on you behind a tree. I was like, I'm gonna hide from Maddie. And there was like a couple minutes. Okay, now
Okay, guys. Ian decided to pull a trick on me.
like I always do.
Yep, but keep you now.
I'd never leave you, Maddie. I'd like without telling you.
Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh, feel that. That is so hard.
Oh yeah. All that. There was 4 hours of work. Was not wasteful. Well, actually, it kind of was now, because with all the rain, it makes the mud go down the side.
Literally though. But all that rain and all that dry and hot days, that hardened it. That literally hardened the mud. That was all mud, guys. Not kidding. It wasn't
It was
rock.
dirt and clay.
Yeah, dirt and clay. But clay doesn't form itself really good when it gets wet, so.
Yeah.
But the dirt does. I mean, because when the dirt gets dry and wet, literally, this is how the earth formed. Oh wow, I can't even say anything like today. But guys, tomorrow I have like an early out, so I might be making a video earlier at 11. So, but maybe I'll do some I might do some other stuff. So that I don't know. Might go somewhere. I'm not sure.
Oh, I thought you meant like on your channel.
I'm not sure. But maybe I'll charge my phone up today overnight. And then while I'm at school, it will charge. And if we go over anywhere, I'll have my phone to record and do what I'm doing.
If I might. Oh, I forgot about that shrimp I left. I must go eat the shrimp.
You have to go back?
Yep, I might have to eat my shrimp.
Guys, we'll be back in a little bit, so stay tuned, okay? He's about to eat the shrimp. Oh, he's a freaking murderer. Call the cops. That was a silly moment, guys.
Well, he's dying.
Yep. Well, he's dead because they don't have a head or a brain.
Oh, he did.
And plus, he didn't have a head anyways.
Because I cut it off.
You did? Was that the leftover bait?
I don't know. My dad and his friend David went out fishing and they caught some of the shrimp. Yeah, they just kept some.
And they
also brought home a redfish.
Ooh, brought home a redfish. Are they good to eat?
Yep. My dad just put it on a stove in a thing of butter. Kind of tastes like beef jerky. Look at that redfish. Tastes like. I don't know how.
Hey guys, where you can catch like some really good red snapper and trout, go to Texas, Dallas, Texas. That's like literally the best. In Texas, when you go down to the ocean, you can go. We went and rented a house with this guy named Jack, and he took us out on a boat, and I caught a huge trout, like a 21 inch trout.
Like the past couple of times my family and I have been going saltwater fishing, pretty much just catching trout. But then the other day, my mom and my dad went, and I didn't go because I was playing with Robert and Kian.
And my brother.
Yeah.
Oh.